In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in DaVinci Resolve for YouTube. Let's get started by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop. Once it opens, either create a new project or open the project you've already been working on. Make sure your timeline is ready to go with the edits, color, and audio you want included. It's always a good idea to save your project before you export so any last-minute tweaks are locked in. Now head to the top left of the screen and open the File menu. From here, look for Quick Export. This option is perfect when you want a clean, reliable export without digging through a lot of advanced settings. It uses sensible defaults that work well for most online videos, especially when you're targeting a platform like YouTube. When the Quick Export window appears, you'll see preset choices. Select either the YouTube preset or the H.264 master preset. The YouTube preset is designed to produce an MP4 file that plays nicely with YouTube's processing, using a balanced bitrate, the H.264 codec, and standard audio settings. It typically matches your timeline's resolution and frame rate, which keeps motion and detail consistent with what you saw in the edit. If you want a bit more control or a more general-purpose file, choose H.264 master. It still gives you a widely compatible MP4 using the H.264 codec, which is great for sharing, archiving, or uploading to various platforms. If you're unsure, the YouTube preset is a safe, streamlined pick for most creators. Next, click Export. You'll be prompted to name your file and choose where to save it. Give your file a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Adding the project title and a version number can be helpful. Pick a location you'll remember, like a dedicated exports folder or your desktop. Make sure the drive you're saving to has enough free space, and avoid unusual characters in the file name to prevent compatibility issues on different systems. Once you confirm, Resolve will begin rendering your video. You'll see a progress indicator, and you can continue working lightly, but it's best to let the export finish without making big changes to your project. When it's done, navigate to the folder you selected and you'll see your finished file ready to use. That's all there is to it. By using Quick Export with the YouTube or H.264 master preset, you get a dependable, high-quality file with minimal fuss, so you can focus on creating instead of wrestling with settings.